So you've broken a bolt or stud in your projects, huh? I'll show you how to remove it in 5 minutes or less. Stay tuned. First thing we're going to need is a wire wheel. We're going to try to clean some of the rust off of our broken bolt here. But honestly, the welder will pull it out for us if we don't get it all. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our MIG welder and we're going to try to build this up so that we can grab it with a vice grip and pull it out. So let's begin. We're just going to keep tacking. Give yourself some space. This last tack will be a little extra long. We can try to make it extra big. Kind of quick. And that's it. Now if you've seen, I've just crushed that weld. So that weld, so now that the weld's been crushed, we're going to gently try to work her back and forth. I can already feel her coming. There she is. And that's it. And that's it. That's why you don't use bolts that are too long. Show you that it's not a fluke, it really can be done in 5 minutes or less. I got a second one. Because everybody gets shit stuck. So, I want you guys to time it. I'm going to try to do this as fast as I can. Ready? Go. And we're not going to do that. It's fine. We'll weld right through it. We're going to weld right through it. Weld will burn off that rust sooner or later. It may take a few tries. Yep. Oh yeah, she's popping good. I wonder how good this weld is for my GoPro. Come on. This one's gonna be clean. There she comes. Hey, feel her moving. I might have to eat my words on this 5 minutes or less. It's turning. Let me guess, the threads on this are just fucked. Turn my welder up. A little extra heat maybe. There she goes, baby. Come on. Come on. Ooh, a little worried there. Thought I was gonna have to eat my words. Yeah, the threads are screwed. There, time. So there it is, 5 minutes or less. I did 2 of them, 5 minutes. Now, things to consider. As you saw in this one, if you can't get it as clean, it might take a few tries. I mean, 10, 20 tries until I give up. It happens. Sometimes you still need to use an oxy torch. If it's molten, it can't be stuck. Never, 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 never use an easy out. I don't care what anybody says. They're wasting their time. I didn't come up with this method. I learned this in a machine shop doing this for many years. The problem with an easy out is you'll never be able to put an easy out in a bolt that's bigger than the bolt. Like if you have a 1/2 inch bolt, you got to use a 7/16 easy out. There's no way around it. Well, a 7/16 easy out is thinner than the bolt and weaker than the bolt. You're just gonna break the fucking easy out. If you break an easy out, in a fully equipped machine shop, I'm going to have a very difficult time pulling that out, and you're going to pay for it. There's no way around it. You see what this is? 1, 2, 3. If I have to try to extract a broken easy out, ooh, there's a lot of money to be exchanged. I know people say, drill it out, tap it. All my years in the machine shop, it took me a very long time to get good enough to use a drill to be able to do this without pulling threads. And most of the time I was going to have to pull the threads and we'd tap it up to the next size anyway. So you can try to drill them out, but that's a skill-based risk. Not worth it when I can pull it this easy. And that's how you pull a broken stud or bolt 5 minutes or less. I've done this countless times. I've done this on engine blocks, suspension parts, oh god, stuck seat belts, you name it. The only time this is kind of an issue is, sometimes turbo manifolds are finicky. And we may have to turn them closer to a liquid. But it'll work, it'll come out. Just takes an extra tool. The only limitation is, can I get the damn welder in there? If I can get the welder in there, I can pull it. Now you can too. If you find any value in this video, please comment and subscribe. Hit the like button. If not, good luck drilling that shit out. So you've got a broken bolt or stud in your project vehicle? No sweat. I'll show you how to remove it in 5 minutes or less. Stick around. So you broke some shit? I'll fix it. Pulling broken bolts for me is a simple task. So simple as that. Now some things to consider, of course. Damn, dude. We might as well let this fucking thing die.